5 years. If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my videos. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 2, 8th chapter, Basic Geometric Concepts, Exercise 8.3 Problems. Before going to do the exercise 8.3, let us learn the concepts. Parallel lines, Samantara Rekalu, the lines that never meet even if they are extended any further. ఎంత దూరం పొడిగించినా కలుసుకోని రేఖలే సమాంతర రేఖలు. ఇక్కడ రెండు రేఖలు చూడండి. ఈ రెండు రేఖలను ఎడమ వైపు కుడివైపు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసినా కానీ వాటి మధ్య దూరం మారదు, అవి ఎక్కడ ఖండించుకోవు. దీస్ లైన్స్ LM ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై L parallel to M. The best example is the railway lines. Distance between the two rails are always equal. And see the another picture of the railway track. Distance between them are equal. And another example is ruled notebook. Distance between any two lines in a ruled notebook are equal. These are the examples of parallel lines. Intersecting lines, Khandana Rekalu. The lines that cross one another are called intersecting lines. Example, ఒక లైన్ ఎల్ అనే ఒక లైన్ తీసుకోండి, అలాగే ఎం ఒక లైన్. దే ఆర్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్, దే ఆర్ ఖండించుకుంటాయి రెండు కూడా అట్ ఏ పాయింట్. లెట్ ద పాయింట్ ఐ ఈజ్ ది ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్. ఒక బిందు దగ్గర ఖండించుకునేటువంటి ఐ అనేటువంటి బిందు దగ్గర ఖండించుకుని ఈ రెండు రేఖల్ని ఖండన రేఖలు అంటాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రైల్వే ట్రాక్ మీద చూడండి. సీ ది one track is crossing over another track. This is the example of intersecting lines. Now concurrent lines, 3 or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. Example, take a line L, M, N. All the lines are passing through one single point. Let the point be P. The point P is called the point of concurrency. So ఒక బిందువు గుండా వెళ్ళేటువంటి ఈ రేఖలే మిళిత రేఖలు అంటాము. ఈ బిందువును మిళిత బిందువు అంటారు. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్స్, లంబ రేఖలు, the lines which intersect at right angles, that is at 90 degrees, or simply look like L, H or T. Example, if two lines L and M are arranged like the shape L, then there is an angle of 90 degrees, then it is denoted by L reverse T and M, that is L perpendicular to M. And also see the picture of two lines arranged in a shape of H and in a shape of T. There is an angle of 90 degrees, then they are called perpendicular lines. Observe the wall clock. Angle between the two hands is at 90 degrees when the time is at 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. And angle between the two rods of an electric pole also at 90 degrees. And also observe the edges of a window are also at 90 degrees. And also observe the frames of a wooden door also at 90 degrees. These are the examples of perpendicular lines. Now let us do the exercise 8.3. First problem, given AB bar parallel to CD bar, L is perpendicular to M, which are perpendicular, which are parallel. Solution, AB bar is parallel to CD bar. Here the symbol parallel indicates that the line segments AB and CD are parallel. L is perpendicular to M. Here observe the symbol reverse T shows that the lines L and M are perpendicular lines. Next, number 2. Write the set of parallel and perpendicular lines in the given by using symbols. See the figure. Solution, set of parallel lines. Now see the arrow mark. The lines AB and CD are at equal distance. So they are parallel. So AB bar is parallel to CD bar. Now observe the arrow mark symbols. that is AD and BC, they are at equal distance, so AD bar is parallel to BC bar. Now observe the arrow mark symbols, that is AQ and PC, they are at equal distance, so AQ is parallel to PC bar. Now set of perpendicular lines. Observe the angle at A 90 degrees. So the lines AB, AD are perpendicular, so AD bar is perpendicular to AB bar. Observe the angle at B, that is 90 degrees in L shape. So the sides AB and BC are perpendicular, so AB bar is perpendicular to BC bar. Angle at C 90 degrees. So adjacent sides BC bar and CD bar are perpendicular, so BC bar is perpendicular to CD bar. Angle at D 90 degrees. So the sides AD bar and CD bar are perpendicular, so AD bar is perpendicular to CD bar. Now second figure. Take the figure of a triangle. Set of parallel lines. Observe that there are no parallel lines in this figure because the distance between any two lines are not equal. Now set of perpendicular lines. Observe the angle 90 degrees at X. So the lines PX and XR are perpendicular. So PX bar is perpendicular to XR bar. Now take the third figure. Solution. Set of parallel lines. Observe the arrow mark, that is LM and KN. Distance between them are equal, so LM is parallel to KN bar. And observe the LK and MN, they are also equal at equal distance, so LK bar is parallel to MN bar. Observe the lines LP and ON, they are also at equal distance, so LP bar is parallel to ON bar. Now set of perpendicular lines. Now observe the angle at O, that is 90 degrees. So lines OM and ON are perpendicular, so OM bar is perpendicular to ON bar. Observe the angle at P, it is also at 90 degrees. So the lines KP and PL are also perpendicular, so KP bar is perpendicular to PL bar. Now third problem. From the given figure, find out intersecting lines and concurrent lines. Solution. Intersecting lines means the lines which intersect at the same point, which meet at a point. Observe the point. Here L and M are intersecting lines. And observe the point. Here M and N are intersecting lines. Observe the point. Here N and O are intersecting lines. Here observe the point. O and M are intersecting lines. And observe the point. Here O and L are intersecting lines. And last, observe the point. Here L and N are intersecting lines. That means ఈ రేఖలు ఒక బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండించుకున్నాయి, అనగా ఖండన రేఖలు. బిందువు దగ్గర ఒక బిందువు దగ్గర ఖండించుకునే రేఖలు. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్కరెంట్ లైన్స్. That means 3 or more lines passing through same point. Observe the point. Here the lines P, Q, S are passing through the same point. P, Q, S రేఖలు అన్నీ కూడా ఒకే బిందువు గుండా పోతున్నాయి. So these are called concurrent lines, మిలిత రేఖలు.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Sekhar Maths.